Okay, sir, how is the situation and condition of that South Goa MLA? Is there any
No,
follow-up?
he's stable, absolutely stable. And whatever we are doing as per the SOPs and guidelines that have been given from time to time from Government of India. I just through your medium want to thank all our doctors and frontline people under the guidance of the Chief Minister. We are working day in and day out. What is the back end, what is happening. Our Secretary Health and our Chief Secretary and all our doctors, Dean and our staff of health services and Director Health Services, all of them are working overtime. Actually, they are working to such an extent, I don't think any of us have even imagined that this would be the scale required. Goa, we are doing our best. Comparatively, Goa, I'm in constant touch also with the Minister from Kerala, Madam Shailaja, who is also keeping me posted about what's happening in her state. Because Kerala is also doing, though the cases have been rising, they're doing pretty well in terms of SOPs. Whatever the SOPs are through the MHA and whatever needs to be done, there are two parallels and two verticals to it. One side, you have COVID-19 which is increasing. Goa, by and large, if you see, because of goods trade and other things coming from different places, it is expected that the virus is going to move different locations. If you notice, we are taking care of our people, we are taking care of our staff that is getting infected, either from the police department who is doing a fantastic job, or from the health services, or people who are getting infected from the state of Goa, taking care of them by putting asymptomatic patients into COVID care centers. What we need to do now is to see that in the month of July, because it's a monsoon season, a lot of people will come forward with symptoms and other things. So we need to see what are the protocols to further strengthen it. We will ensure that people are well taken care of, and in addition, we will not put down our guard at any point of time. I am closing on close to 1,000 cases we have got which are active, and in view of that, we have to see how best we can manage the state. Same time, we must realize is that people are losing jobs, people are losing income. We have to ensure that with safety measures in place, how can we revive the economy? Chief Minister will be also making a few statements on his plan on the revival and other things. So in view of that, we have to see that how best the healthcare system becomes a robust system, so that parallelly we can ensure that along with revival of the economy, how we are in a position to have the best health system, strengthen the health system, see that if there are any gaps, we fill those gaps and move forward. One thing I can assure you, a lot of people keep writing articles, people talk about various measures that need to be further improved. We take each and every article, each and every message that comes from the people, if there is any issue, in a very positive manner, and we try to improve ourselves. Today in Pirna, there were some cases. There was a case. There we have gone and isolated it and taking more number of swabs. Best methodology today is to take more number of swabs and to try and see what is actually happening in that area, and accordingly move forward. And I think we are doing a good job. As far as Goa is concerned, we are doing a fairly good job, and we will further, like I told you, strengthen the measures that are required under the guidance of the Chief Minister.
Are you satisfied as a health minister as far as the recovery rate is concerned?
Recovery rate is pretty good. Recovery rate is pretty good, and our recovery rate is pretty good if you compare it to the recovery rate in the rest of the part of the country. All of us have to take precautions. Time to wear masks, time to sanitize your hands, social distancing, go out if you require. That is the norms that you need to follow till we get a solution for COVID-19 in terms of either a vaccine or actual treatment and course for COVID-19. Just now we were with myself, Chief Secretary, Secretary Health, were just discussing in general is that how one should move forward, and everybody is doing their own bit and trying to see that we keep Goa safe and people safe. As long as the mortality is low, overall if you look at it, still the mortality rate is low, and that is something that gives us more mortality should not happen, but mortality rate when it is now at around 4, we take it very seriously to see how best we can avoid these mortalities that take place. But in case of all the 4, they had underlying other complex situations. So along with COVID, once COVID comes in, then such patients are susceptible to COVID, and then it becomes very difficult for them to fight COVID. So in view of that, we need to see how best we can take things forward. There are another 2, 3, 4 patients who are on the ventilator and assisted breathing, some of them are. But overall, if you go to see our situation, most of the people who have been admitted are healthy and stable.
So-
and we are confident that we will be able to win them all.
So time has come for strict guidelines, because even though there are containment zones, you all have passed on messages to go on.
Ultimately,
People are
however
not
much-
listening.
Ultimately, however much rules, regulations you and me make, however much the government takes steps, it is a society also that has to cooperate with us. People also should come forward to see that government has made certain guidelines. If you go to Miramar in the evening, you will find people walking without masks as though it's a normal day. I have started wearing masks in the last few days because I move a lot. I move to different places, but I need to take precautions also. Today, the Chief Minister also, I told him, and we discussed with him also, that he needs to take also precautions. It was unfortunate that one of the legislators, because today the legislators also are in the forefront in their respective constituencies. I am also a legislator in my own constituency. I have to see that we take things. I have told my father also, who's 81, in spite of being 81, he attends all functions, all weddings, everywhere, because that's his style. He never lived in containment. But we told him that to be careful, because he needs to take care. So all of us as citizens need to unite. Today is not the time for any kind of a political brownie point scoring. I see a lot of things happening, but I don't know. I refrain from commenting on anything. But only thing is that we as a team, all 40 legislators, along with all the doctors, along with the Chief Secretary, Secretary Health, other secretaries, Revenue, DIG, all these people of different departments are working in hand. Fire department, all of them are working hand in hand to keep Goa safe. And that's the way forward. We have to look at ourselves, not belonging to any political party, but as Team Goa, and trying to see how to keep Goa safe. The need of the hour today is revival of the economy and keeping Goa safe, so that people still, when we talk of revival, we prevent further job losses, so that people can survive COVID-19.
One more last question is that, one thing. Now the tourism minister today announced starting of tourism activities, especially
Yes.
hotels.
I am aware of that.
Are you aware?
I'm
Is it
aware of
okay?
that.
As a health minister, you
No,
mean
but
to say?
economy has to somewhere. Other states have already opened hotels. In phase manner, they are opening hotels. So the hotels will be given specific SOPs, I was told. So those SOPs will be strictly followed. So ultimately, तुम्हीच विचार करा, तुमचंच नाव भाव त्या हॉटेलान काम करता. कितलेय लोक घरा बसल्या जेन्ना कोविड चालू जाले. हॉटेलांनी तांकां सॅलरी दिता, कांय लोकांक 50% सॅलरीचेर दवरल्या. आनी हे अशें जेन्ना परिस्थिती जाता तेन्ना आमकां सगळे तरेन विचार करचो पडटा. आमच्या डिपार्टमेंट, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचेर आनी पेज वाडटलो म्हाका खबर आहा, पूण आमी तयार आहा की हे सगळें जें कितें करचें पडटा, आनी मुख्यमंत्रीच्या सहकार्यान आमकां आनी लोक घेवंक जाय जाल्यार तांणी आमकां दिवपाचें तांणी ऑलरेडी अश्युरन्स दिल्लें आसा. नर्सीस आनी बाकीचे स्टाफ जे आमकां लागतात, हे सगळ्या लोकांक घेवन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. इंडस्ट्री, ट्युरिजम इंडस्ट्री, गोंय राज्यान आयज मायनींग ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनचे जे चालू आहा ते एक चालू एक्टिविटी आहा. तेजे भायर ट्युरिजम इंडस्ट्री खातीर वी आर अ रिनाउंड स्टेट, बट यू मस्ट ऑल्सो नो इट इज अ चॅलेंज. इट इज नॉट सिम्पली इजी टू रन अ हॉस्पिटल विथ स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग चार्ज तुमचे जे आसता ते काय बदलना. पण कितलो लोक ट्रॅव्हल करतलो आयजच्या कोविडान, हो एक व्हडलो प्रश्न चिन्ह जावन आहा. आनी हॉटेलां कितले दीस तुमी बंद दवरतले. त्याच बरोबर स्ट्रिक्टली SOPs मेंटेन आमी करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आमी दोन तरेन we will handle this problem. One side, we'll use FDA to see that we take strict actions against restaurants that do not maintain the SOPs that is passed by the Chief Minister. Second side, we will, as a health department and the Epidemic Act, we will take action for not complying with those SOPs. So, SOPs definitely will be, and I think every hotel will want that there are SOPs in place. Ultimately, no hotel wants that somebody comes, one of the staff or anybody, they don't maintain the SOPs, gets COVID-19. They won't want that, because then tomorrow nobody will come and stay in that hotel. So ultimately, you have to see it's a challenge. Business has to run. Loans are not getting stopped. So as a result of which, we have to look at the livelihood of the person. Job losses should not happen beyond a point. It's happening as we speak. As we speak today, forget about only Goa. Globally, salaries are being cut by 30, 40%, 50%. People are saying either you work at 50% or that you can leave the job and go home.
Correct.
And this is not, he's becoming depressed. A friend of mine, he was staying in a building in Bombay, and the person had about 3 Mercedes cars parked in his garage. because the business was not running, because there was no turnover of the business, he committed suicide from the 21st floor. Not one, two people in the same building. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that things are becoming bad. Children are getting, behavioral patterns are changing between the children. Depression is on the rise. So we have to see that as a health department, I think it's a great challenge, big challenge in front of me. And luckily I got the support of the Chief Minister, because of which we are able to deal with the situation. We will deal with it. As hotels open, we want the economic activity to be revived. Same thing, will also stringent measures will be taken for violation of any kind of SOP.
So one more thing is that as far as that new vaccine which has been announced by
No, I have
Econom,
not,
is that your government as a health ministry are following it up with that?
Once we discuss this issue at length with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and ICMR, what are the protocols?
Correct.
Only then I will take any kind of or recommend anything further, because if the government of India has taken a decision, then I must also parallelly get more information before I make any statement in the media.
सर व्हॉट अबाउट द सॉफ्ट किट्स म्हणजे आसा न्ही
सगळे आसा,
कितले
कसले जे लागता तितके किट्स आमचे कडेन आहा. स्वॉब टेस्टिंग करपाक, तुजी मशिनां चलोवपाक सगळे आमचे कडेन आहा सद्याचे परिस्थितीत.
आणि सर कोविड केअर सेंटरान कितले बेड्स कॅपॅसिटी
हे पळय, केन्नाय आमकां गरज पडली आमी 2000 बेड्स पर्यंत वचूं शकता. आमी आमचे प्लॅनिंग तशें ऑलरेडी प्लॅन ए प्लॅन बी आमची तयार आहा, अँड वी वील टेक इट. आनी आमी ऑलरेडी आयडेंटिफाय करून दवरल्या, सगळे आयडेंटिफाय करून खाली दवरपाचें
ना.
नासता, गरज पडल्यारूच थंय पावप. आनी आमचे सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ नीला मोहनन, चीफ सेक्रेटरी, डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज डॉक्टर बांदेकर, डॉक्टर डिसा, हे सगळे आमचे डॉक्टर आयरा, हे सगळे लोक त्या हेजेर आहा. आमी योग्य तरेचे निर्णय घेतले. एक तुमकां हांव सांगूंक शकता, आश्वासन दिवंक शकता, वी वील नॉट फेल द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. केसीस वाडटा हे निश्चित वाडटा, खबर आहा म्हाका, कारण भायले लोक जेन्ना गोंयांत येवंक जाता, गुड्स कॅरियर येता, एका सगळे MHAचे गायडलायनचे अनुसार केले वयता. कारण सामान बी येवंक जाय गोंयांत, आमकां जर जगूंक जाय, खावपाक कितें तरी जाय, आमकां वी आर डिपेंडंट मोस्टली ऑन products coming from outside the state of Goa. So as a result of which there is, but naturally this spike will happen. Perhaps it may remain in control, it can go higher, but we will take all it takes to see that we keep the people safe. Both myself and our whole cabinet and the Chief Minister, under his guidance, we are constantly at it. We exchange our thoughts and we deliberate on various issues and take things forward. And I am very happy with the work that is being done by my Secretary Health, Neela Mohanan, and also the Chief Secretary, who has been also very supportive in what we do. And that is the way forward.
कितले पेशंट व्हेंटिलेटरचेर रावतात
Ventilator 3-4 असत, not more.
आमच्यान GMCची OPD चालू जाता, फुल फ्लॅश OPD चालू जाता.
फूल फ्लेज जावची ना बाबा. फूल फ्लेज म्हणजे OPD चालू जातली, पण म्हाका दिसना आमी संख्येचेर आमी कंट्रोल दवरतले. कित्याक फूल फ्लेज जर तुवें जर थंय लोकसंख्या, तुका खबर आहा की गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान लोकसंख्या ओपन केली, त्याच बरोबर नॉन कोवीड पेशंटाचे काळजी घेवपाक म्हणून आमी आमचें काम चालू आसा. आमचें काम ह्या तरेन चालू आसा की तुमी अंदाज बी कर, पब्लीक हेल्थ फावंडेशन ऑफ इंडिया, जे आमचे प्रधानमंत्रीचे जे एडवायझर बी आहा ते डॉक्टर श्रीनाथ रेड्डी, तेंच्या माध्यमांतल्यान स्वास सखीचो आमी जे लॉन्च केल्ले, रिस्की प्रेग्नन्सीजचे तेंचे लक्ष थंय ट्रेनिंग तेंचे चालू आहा. व्हर्च्युअल ट्रेनिंगच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी ट्रेन करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. आणि आतांच आमच्या डीनाक सांगलेलें आसा की युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ कोलंबिया, युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ अटलांटा आमचे नर्सिसांक कोवीड ट्रेनिंग दिवपाक थ्रू देम. एक वेगवेगळे तरेचे गोष्टी आमचे चालूच आसा. कम्युनिटी हेल्थ असिस्टंट्स इन टू बी ट्रेन्ड इन एवरी पंचायत. आमी हे सगळे गोष्टी करपाक, पोर्ट्या म्हणून कंपनी आहा. होम क्वॉरंटायन जर आमी तेजेर भर दिल्यार तर होम क्वॉरंटायनच्या लोकांक कशें सांबाळप, ह्यो सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर आमचें काम चालू आसा. सगळ्या गोष्टी आमी पब्लीक करिना, कित्याक सगळ्या तरेन हे सरकार काम करता आनी कटिबद्ध आहा. लोकांची सुरक्षा, लोकांची सेवा आनी कोविड-19 टक्कर दिवपाची आमची पूर्णपणे तयारी आसा. त्याच बरोबर केन्ना केन्ना लोकांक दिसता की आमी घाई करता, पूण घाई करची पडटा कांय गोश्टीन. घाई म्हाका दिसना कसल्याच गोश्टीन जाल्या. आयज हॉटेलांची ओपन करता जो लोक भायलो येता तो रावतलो खंय, ते बी हॉटेलांचे ओपन जेन्ना जाता तेका स्पेसिफीक SOP दिवन तो चालू जातलो. रेस्टॉरंट जे चालू जाता स्पेसिफीक SOP दिवन चालू जातले. लास्टाक कित्याक जगपाचो प्रश्न आहा, मूळ प्रश्न आहा की एक सायडीक कोवीड आहा, एक सायडीक मनशाचे जॉब वयता, एक सायडीक मनशाक सॅलरी दिवपाक लागले. ते कंपनीचे मनीस म्हणटा तुमकां 50% आमी दिता, 50% रावता जाल्यार रावा, जाल्यार सोडा. हे सगळ्या गोश्टी जर करूंक जाय, लास्टाक दोश येतलो कोणाक जर आमी पावला योग्य तरेन घेवना, सरकाराकूच येतलो. आनी म्हणून हांव सगळ्यांक विनंती करता की सगळ्या ऑपोजिशन पासून सगळ्या लोकांनी एकत्र येवन कोविड-19 टक्कर दिवपाची गरज आसा.
ओके.